how do you make a shop where you can sell stuff in Roblox Studio? Now let's say you have this as a shop right here. Now if you don't have this or you don't know how to make one, you should probably watch my previous video on how to make stuff like this. So how to make a text button. It should be pretty simple. You have a text button and you have the frame. Let's make this visible. Okay, let's show this on the screen. Put this in the middle, make this visible. Then let's say you want to add stuff in the shop, like for example some gears. Let's say you want to add like a sword or something, or maybe something that's not too cliche, like a taco or something. I mean, I like tacos, but I never ate one before. So let's insert inside the frame an image button. So this image button, let's reposition this quickly. Remove the offset and position this to 0.25, maybe that's good. Okay, let's make this a little bit more longer. Alright, let's put this, let's lower this point to 0.5. I don't really care, to be honest. Oh, this is the anchor point. Alright, whatever, I don't really care, to be honest. Let's make this a little bit to the left. Okay, that's too much. What the hell? Alright, let's say, okay, I don't know, my OCD is really hurting me. So 0.05. Okay, let's say this is our first item in the shop, and this can be really anything. So this is an image button. Let's change this image. So let's search up an image real quick for the sake of the video. Taco. Let's say we're selling a taco. Oh, what the hell? Oops. Go to images, and you can search any image, or you can just upload your own image. And you put, what the hell is this? Okay, this is some cursed stuff right here. What the hell? What am I? Okay. Whatever. Forget about this. I don't care. I don't care anymore. Okay, I think this is good. Alright. Paste this in the image and change the background transparency to 1. Alright. And inside this image button, let's insert a text label. This will be like our price and our title of the thing. So let's do this 1, 0, 0.1, 0. I think it's good enough. Maybe 0.25. And the y-axis and the position, let's make this 0.1. Oops, no. Sorry. 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so it's at the bottom. Change the background transparency. Alright, change some of the text. So this will be taco. And let's say this is 25 coins. Change this to bangers. Alright, and the text color, change it to white. Alright, so 25 coins. 25 coins. Okay, so taco costs 25 coins. Now, first of all, how can you give the player coins in the first place, or how can you give the player stats to begin with? So let's insert a script here. This will give our players stats, for example, coins. So we're gonna make a function, a player added function. We're gonna go like game.players, player added, connect to a function. Alright, and the parameter will be player. Alright, before the last bracket, enter. On this end will appear. So let's make a variable. It's going to be called local coins equals instance dot new, and we're going to make a number value. And the number value will be named coins dot name. Going to call this coins. That's name. Alright, coins at parent whole second. We first need to make a leader stats in order to do that. So local leader stats equal instance.new. I'm gonna make a leader stats folder. Instance.new folder. Leader stats dot name equals leader stats, and leader stats dot parent, we'll parent this under the player, equals parent, oops, what the hell am I doing, player. Alright, so now we made the leader stats folder, and then we already made the coins value, and we parent the coin under the leader stats, so it'll appear on the player list, as you can see. Also, I'll show you later. Leader stats. Okay, so when we play it, it should appear on the list. First, let's close this first. Let's close this. Okay. Oh, okay. So when we play it, it should appear on our player list thingy madingy. Oh, hold on, wait, what? I accidentally put the script in server storage. Yeah, don't do that, please. Let's move it. Oh, sorry. Move the script up to server script service. Yeah, don't make that mistake. Sheesh. Anyways, now we play it and it should work, of course, because why wouldn't it work? I mean, essentially it should work. Alright, as you can see, it finally works. Yeah, I don't know if that took. Okay. But you see, there's coins, right? We have 0 because it's like the value is nil. And yeah, so how can we give, well, we're gonna give ourselves some coins first so we can buy the taco. Now let's say we have the coins, so let's script the when you click the taco button right here. Now let me make this appear for a second. When you click this, it should give you the taco button. Now we're gonna script this real quick. So, oops, wait, make this visible. So, in this frame, the image button, we should be putting a local script here. And what we're gonna do is basically, well, first of all, how we're gonna do this is we're gonna make a remote event. So, remote event, let's insert a remote event inside replicated storage. So this is how we're gonna do it. Name this to whatever you want, like taco. And we're also gonna need to add of course, a taco model. So how else can we give the taco if you don't have a model? Oops, in models, taco. So we're gonna insert this taco inside inside any replicated storage or server storage. Let's put it in server storage because server storage is cooler. Anyways. Anyways, okay, we have this. We have the remote event, and we have the physical tool itself that we're gonna give to the player if they bought the taco. Anyways, okay, now we're done both of those. Now we're gonna make again a mouse button one click event, a mouse button one click event. So I think we're in the right local script. So instead of making variables, let's write it directly. So script.parent, which is the button. Script.parent would be the button. That mouse button one click, which is an event. Connect function. Okay, connect function. Second last bracket and do an enter, and then you'll see this end up here. Now what we want to do is fire the remote event that we just made. So the taco remote event under replicated storage, we're going to do game.replicated storage .taco, and then we're going to fire server. Yeah, okay, fire server. And hold a second. If okay, we're gonna need to make an if statement. So if the amount of coins. So first of all, we need to get the local player. So local player equals game dot player dot local player. So if player dot leader stats and dot coins. So that's where our coins are stored, or where our coins are placed or located in. If coins dot value the value of our coins is greater than or equal to 25, then then we fire the event, which will give our player the taco or whatever gear you want to put in the game. Okay, should work well. Now, when we fire the event, of course, we need to give the player the taco. So we're going to do that in a server script. So let's do another script, and this script we will name it. Okay, we're going to name this taco script. Hold on. Okay, it doesn't matter. Anyways, now we got the remote event. We're going to do game.replicatedStorage.taco, and since we fired the event, we're going to do on-client event, on server event, because we fired it on the server. Connect function and player. This will be the player that's fired to. Hold a second. I think that's correct, right? So player is the player that clicked on it. This is the parameter. The player who clicked on it will be fired to this player. And then we'll get the taco model that we just inserted. Game.serverStorage.taco clone. Actually, let's make this a variable. Actually, no, never mind. Let's not make it fair. .parent. So we'll parent this under player .character. If you can do player.character or player.backpack. And if you want the taco to stay in their backpack after they reset, let's copy this. Okay, and insert and do this instead of character, do starter gear. I think that's starter gear. That's correct, I think. So when the player bought the taco, the taco will be parented under their character and starter gear. So basically, they'll be given it. And also, you want to subtract their amount of coins, of course, because they bought the thing. So player.leaderstats.coins.value equals. So copy and paste this. Is player.leaderstats.coins.value minus 25. Okay, I think 25 is too expensive, but who cares? What you can also do instead of this, maybe this is too long, you can do plus minus, or not plus minus, what the hell am I saying? Okay, sorry. Minus equals 25. So basically, all it does is subtracts 25 to the value of the coins inside the leader stats inside the player. So I think that should be all. I don't think I've done any mistakes, so it should work perfectly fine. All we need to do now is give ourselves some coins. So let's just make the default coins.value equals 25. So we are given automatically 25 coins when we join the game. And I think this should work. Alright, okay. Last thing, if you want the taco to be given only once, we're going to do if player dot character or starter gear. Let's do starter gear. That's better. Find first child. Taco. We're gonna if not. So if the player doesn't have the taco already in his backpack or his starter gear to be exact, then you'll run this thing. So basically, it only gives the taco once after you bought it. So after you bought it the first time, you can't buy again. But that's your choice. You can buy more tacos. Just remove this if statement. All right. So this is only used if you want the taco to be bought once. And I think this should be all. All right, let's test this out, shall we? Let's test this out. Okay. So let's run the game now, and let's see if this works. Okay, we join the game. Now, if we press on this taco, as you can see, we have 25 coins. Let's click on this taco, and we're given the taco. So let's Okay, get that out of my face. And we have this yummy taco. Today we're gonna eat Taco Bell, and then we're gonna sorry, I have a really bad diarrhea problem. Anyways, now we're broke, as you can see, and now we're gonna just excuse me please, I'm gonna have some quick diarrheas for a second. So if you don't mind, let me just yeah. So if you enjoy this video, then click the subscribe button, because otherwise this taco will be mine forever. Anyways, if you want more tutorials, comment down below. And today, I mean, I'll go and get some. I'll go and get have a break at the bathroom real quick, because I really have some diarrhea today. Anyways.